Today I was gonna cut up a bunch of t-shirts, so I figured I might as well show you what I'm doing. So I have been really inspired by the 60s and 70s this is my new inspiration, so of course I'm obsessed with it. And it's also getting hotter and hotter out, so I wanted to make this into a t-shirt. So it's going to be pretty simple. I'm just going to basically cut the sleeves off it, but I will show you what I'm doing. So you take your t-shirt. These are just my kitchen scissors. I'm just laying it as flat as I can. And now I'm just going to go right along the seam of the sleeve. I think I'm going to cut on this side of it more towards the sleeve so that I still have a seam, and hopefully it'll look less ragged. So I'm just cutting one part of it first because I don't want to mess it up. So at the first part, I just cut that front part first, and then I'll follow the seam in the back. So that just makes it into, well, I'll try it on, maybe a tank, maybe a cap sleeve. Who knows? Do the same thing on the other side. And there you go. Alright, so the first one, just chopped off the sleeves, followed that seam, and now it's pretty perfect. I had distressed this one already, so I cut off the sleeves, tied it in the back, popped a bunch of holes in it. I made a little keyhole. But it is a little too long, so I'm just going to chop off the bottom of it so it's a little bit cuter to wear. A little less long. So I usually tuck that part in anyway. But I'll keep all this good stuff. So this was from All Saints, but I had already chopped off the sleeves, poked a bunch of holes in it, as well as the, whatchamacallit, neckline, made a little keyhole in it, and now it's just a little bit shorter, so it's a lot more easy to wear, so it was really long before. So that was a little, this is what I do to chop up my t-shirts, or if I find that they're not fitting that great and I won't wear them, then I want to wear them, so I'll do something that's a little bit different so that it's easier for me to grab and feel comfortable in. So I hope this was helpful. And you don't have to stop, like once you do deconstruct a t-shirt, if you find that it's just not working, then you just find a different way to chop it up some more and wear it that way. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.